In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone on iOS 16 or later. All you need to do is firstly go to Settings. After you click on Settings, under Airplane Mode, you'll see Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi. Now, you'll see all of the previously joined networks and also the network you're currently connected to with a blue tick next to it. Now, as you may notice, on the right side of it, there is a small info button. To check the password, you have to click on it, and then you'll see a lot of data about the network. Now, under Auto Join, there is also password. If you want to view the password, it will want Face ID or to type in the password of your phone. So click on it, and then after Face ID you'll see the password and also have the option to copy it and send it to a friend. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.